Hey there, space enthusiasts. Are you ready for a journey that will take you to the very limits of human understanding? Today, we're going to explore the ultimate doom of any spaceship that enters a black hole. Now, before we dive into this dark abyss, let's get one thing straight. Black holes are not just another kind of star. They are monsters, devouring everything that comes too close, including light itself. And if you think you can outrun them, think again. Black holes are the ultimate speed limit of the universe. And once you cross their event horizon, there's no turning back. So, what happens when a spaceship enters a black hole? Well, let's start with the basics: gravity. Black holes are the most massive objects in the universe, packed into a tiny volume. Their gravity is so strong that it warps space and time around them, creating a one-way ticket to oblivion. As a spaceship approaches a black hole, the gravity gradient becomes so steep that it stretches the ship into a long, thin stream, a process called spaghettification. As the ship gets closer, the gravitational forces become even more extreme, distorting time and space in ways that defy our imagination. 1 second outside the black hole can feel like an eternity inside, as the fabric of spacetime is twisted beyond recognition. In fact, the closer you get to a black hole, the more time slows down, until it stops completely at the event horizon. But what happens if you cross the event horizon? Well, that's where things get really interesting. And by interesting, I mean terrifying. Once you cross that point of no return, you're in the heart of darkness, where the forces of gravity are so intense that even light can't escape. Your spaceship will be torn apart by tidal forces, the same forces that create tides on Earth, but on a scale that's hard to imagine. The front of the ship will experience much stronger gravity than the back, stretching it out into a long, thin stream of plasma. The crew inside will experience the most extreme forces known to physics, feeling as if they're being pulled apart atom by atom. And then, finally, the spaceship will reach the singularity, the point of infinite density and zero volume, where our understanding of physics breaks down completely. What happens there? Nobody knows for sure. But one thing is certain: it's not pretty. So, there you have it, folks. The ultimate doom of any spaceship that enters a black hole. But don't let that discourage you from exploring the mysteries of our universe. After all, it's the very fact that we don't know what lies beyond the event horizon that makes black holes so fascinating. Just remember, if you ever find yourself face to face with one of these cosmic monsters, hold on tight and enjoy the ride. And if you happen to make it out alive, be sure to tell us all about it. Until then, keep reaching for the stars, and stay curious.